the first thing. So there are different tabs. Like there is a home tab, then there is an insert tab. We will also use the power of AI. We will also use the power of AI in the Power BI, and these are the different AI visuals. You can see the artificial intelligence visuals. So there is a one question and answer, then influencer, decomposition, narrative. So many things are there. We'll go in deep about that part. And then there are different modeling. How to view the data? You want to see the mobile view. You want to see the page view, optimize. So there are different options available over here. We'll go one by one. Okay. So first thing, what we need to do, we need to first create a connection. First, we need to create a connection between the Power BI and the Excel sheet. So for that, what we need to do, we need to connect that connection through import file. So first, we need to create the import, and then I will now select the module 1 challenge file, and then I will say open, and it will process the entire data. It will take some time. Do not immediately create the connection, but it will take some data time. Now you can see there are two sheets, and if you see even in the Excel, we have the challenge where the entire challenge is explained, and then there is a sales data, the entire data where it is available. Now if you go to Power BI, and if you want to see what exactly each of the sheet look like, so what we can do, we can simply click on the challenge, and now you can see there is nothing mentioned or there is no data, and it is rightly shown by the Power BI that there is a null data, or there is no data because it is written as an instruction. While in the sales data, now you can see as I click on the sales data, now you can see there is a date of sales, state, and the salesman, and all of those things are there, right? Why all of those things are there? Because the data has been previewed. So there is a preview which has been done when you click on this part. Now till now, neither I have loaded the data, neither done the transformation. Now if I want to either load the data or the transform data, what exactly is the load, what exactly is the transform, that I will show you. So first we need to click on the side icon. We can click on the side icon, which is a tick mark, which is a box. And as soon as I do that part, now you can see I am getting the option of load and the transform. Now what is the load and what is the transform? Let's understand that part. So when there is a live data which is coming to the Excel and you want to create a live connection between your Power BI and Excel, you need to load the data. Where loading of the data means the connection will happen between the Power BI and Excel, and you can start creating your visuals. And once the connection has been made, any data which will happen change in the Excel, it will automatically reflect in the Power BI when you do the refresh button. So if I add some kind of more data into the Excel, I need not to reload that part. I have to just refresh. That I'll show you in a while. So that's how the live connection will happen. Now what will happen if you want to transform the data? So maybe your data which is available in Excel is not ready to do the analysis. As I told you, the module 2 is all about how to create the data which is analysis worthy. If there are certain problems in the data, then what will happen? We will not be able to get a good analytics, and that's why we need to transform the data. So the sales data, when I click on it right now, because my data is already transformed, so I'll not go to transform, but I'll show you in the next module where we'll go into the transformation of the data, and then we will create a more visual ones on there. Right now, we will load the data. Yeah, everyone clear with this till now? Any doubts? Any clarification, guys?
No.